Most people get this wrong when they compare InboxDollars and Swagbucks. They focus on how much money they can make, but ignore the one thing that actually matters when you need cash quickly. How fast can you really get paid? Here's the truth no one tells you. A rewards app is useless if your money gets stuck in pending status for days or even weeks. And that's exactly what happens to a lot of users. In this video, I'm going to break down which platform actually pays faster in 2026, how long withdrawals usually take, the hidden delays most people don't expect, and which app is better depending on how you earn. By the end, you'll know exactly where to spend your time. Let's get straight into it. First, let's quickly explain what these apps are for anyone new here. InboxDollars and Swagbucks are both reward platforms owned by the same parent company. They pay users for doing simple online tasks like surveys, playing games, watching videos, shopping online, and testing offers. But here's where it gets interesting. Even though they're owned by the same company, they work very differently when it comes to payouts. And that difference matters a lot if you're trying to cash out fast. Let's start with InboxDollars. InboxDollars keeps things simple. You earn actual dollar amounts instead of points. So instead of seeing something confusing like 4,800 points, you just see real money like $4.80. For beginners, that feels easier. Jake signs up, completes a few surveys, and sees his balance hit $12. Great. But then he tries to cash out. This is where most people fail. InboxDollars usually has a higher minimum cash out threshold than users expect. Depending on the payout method, you may need around $15 or more before you can withdraw. And even after you cash out, processing can take several business days. For some users, PayPal withdrawals arrive in around 3 to 5 business days. Gift cards can sometimes arrive faster, but not always. Now compare that to Swagbucks. Swagbucks uses a point system called SB points. At first, it looks more confusing, but the platform is usually more flexible with redemptions. For example, Alex earns enough SB points for a $5 PayPal reward much faster than he could reach the minimum on InboxDollars. And here's the key difference. Swagbucks often processes smaller gift card payouts, faster than InboxDollars. Some users even report getting certain gift cards within 24 hours. But there's a catch. PayPal transfers on Swagbucks can still take a few business days depending on account verification and activity history. So if we're talking pure speed, Swagbucks usually wins for smaller payouts. But don't click away yet because there's another factor almost nobody talks about. Pending rewards. This is the hidden reason users think apps are slow. Let me explain. When you complete surveys or game offers, your rewards often don't become available instantly. They enter a pending stage first. And the pending times are very different between these platforms. InboxDollars can sometimes hold rewards for longer periods, especially on high-paying offers. Some game rewards may stay pending for 7 days, 14 days, or even longer. Swagbucks does this too, but many users feel its tracking system is slightly more reliable overall. Now here's where it gets interesting. The type of task you do matters more than the app itself. For example, surveys usually pay faster than mobile game offers. John completes a 5-minute survey on Swagbucks. The points show up almost immediately. But then he downloads a mobile game promising $40 after reaching level 20. That reward may take weeks to fully confirm. The same thing happens on InboxDollars. So if your goal is speed, you should focus on instant credit activities. That means short surveys, cashback shopping, daily bonuses, and smaller offers. This is the mistake people make. They chase giant payouts thinking they found an easy money hack, then get frustrated when the reward stays pending forever. Now let's talk about payout methods because this changes everything. Both platforms offer PayPal and gift cards. But not all payout methods move at the same speed. Gift cards are usually faster. Amazon gift cards especially tend to process quicker than PayPal on both platforms. Why? Because PayPal withdrawals often require extra fraud checks and account verification. So if you need money urgently, a digital gift card might actually arrive first. But here's the problem. Not everyone wants gift cards. If you're trying to pay bills or transfer real cash to your bank account, PayPal matters more. And in that category, Swagbucks still tends to edge out InboxDollars for faster average processing. Another important factor is account age. New users almost always wait longer. That surprises people. Alex signs up today, earns quickly, and expects instant payouts. But new accounts often trigger extra reviews to prevent fraud. Once you've completed successful redemptions and built a history, payouts can become faster. Now let's discuss earnings speed, because faster payouts don't matter if earnings are painfully slow. InboxDollars feels more straightforward because earnings appear in dollars. Some users prefer this psychologically because they always know exactly how much they're making. Swagbucks, on the other hand, has more earning opportunities overall. More surveys. More game offers. More shopping partnerships. More daily streak bonuses. That means many users reach payout thresholds faster on Swagbucks, even if both apps technically process withdrawals similarly. And that creates the feeling that Swagbucks pays faster. Because in many cases, it actually does. But here's something most YouTube videos skip completely. Your location changes your experience. Users in the United States usually get far more surveys and offers than users in smaller regions. That means Americans often reach cash-out thresholds much quicker. If you live outside the US, both apps may feel slower simply because fewer tasks are available. Now let's talk about reliability, because fast payouts mean nothing if your account gets flagged. InboxDollars and Swagbucks both use automated fraud systems. If you rush through surveys, use VPNs, create duplicate accounts, or give inconsistent answers, your account can get restricted. This is where people panic. They think the app scammed them. But many times, the issue is verification. So if you want consistent fast payouts, follow 3 rules. Use real information. Don't rush surveys randomly. And avoid suspicious behavior like switching devices constantly. Simple, but important. Now let's answer the big question directly. Which one pays faster in 2026? For most people, Swagbucks wins. Not by a massive amount, but enough to matter. The lower redemption flexibility, quicker gift card processing, and larger number of earning opportunities give it an advantage. But InboxDollars still has strengths. If you hate point systems and want simple dollar tracking, InboxDollars feels cleaner and easier to understand. And some users actually prefer the simpler interface. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The smartest users don't pick one. They use both strategically. Jake uses Swagbucks for fast surveys and small redemptions. Then he uses InboxDollars occasionally for higher-paying exclusive offers. That approach usually works best because reward availability changes constantly. One app may have terrible surveys one week and amazing offers the next. Now let's talk realistic expectations, because this is important. Neither of these apps will replace a full-time income. That's the truth. Most users make extra side cash, not life-changing money. Maybe enough for streaming subscriptions, gas money, groceries, or small monthly expenses. And honestly, that's the right way to look at it. If you expect instant hundreds of dollars, you'll probably quit disappointed. But if you use these apps during downtime while watching TV, commuting, or relaxing, the earnings can add up surprisingly well over time. Before we wrap up, here's the fastest setup if your only goal is speed. Use Swagbucks. Focus on short surveys and cashback offers. Redeem smaller amounts instead of waiting for huge payouts. Choose digital gift cards for faster delivery. And avoid massive mobile game offers unless you're okay waiting weeks. That one strategy alone saves most beginners a ton of frustration. So here's the bottom line. InboxDollars is simpler. Swagbucks is usually faster. Both are legitimate. But your results depend heavily on the tasks you choose, and how realistically you approach them. And honestly, that's the part most people never understand until they waste hours chasing the wrong offers. If this video helped you decide between InboxDollars and Swagbucks, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest app reviews, side hustle breakdowns, and money-making guides. And in the comments, tell me which app paid you faster personally. I'd love to hear your experience.